Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we talk about how to remove iOS 26 beta from iPhone. Let's start this video first of all. Open setting. After this tap on Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi and check your internet connection working properly. After this go back, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down again, tap on VPN and Device Management and check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. After this go back, open Safari and search here beta profile.
Scroll down.
Scroll down.
Search here beta profile.
Your beta profile. After this tap on first website, scroll down. You can see option here developer, tap on it. After this tap on install. Tap on install again. After this allow now, open setting again. After this tap on profile or download and here tap on install and iOS 26 will be removed in your mobile phone and iOS 18 will be approved in your iPhone. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.